Welcome everybody to another episode of Matt's Market. Thank you for being patient while I got everything set up. My boy Bear in the chat already dropping the boom. What's happening, man? Kella C, Ernesto, Crypto Critter in the house, popping. We got Bitcoin popping, doing this thing. Look at this one 5-minute candle. Shot straight from 39,714 to top of there 41,471. So shot up about 5% in this 5-minute time frame right now. Seeing some rejection at 41,715. Seeing some pullback to that 40,773 level we have marked on the screen. So Bitcoin's popping. Looks really nice right here. We got 8 up to 82 cents. Ethereum up to 26.97. We're gonna kind of go over some news articles, see what's happening, what's causing this this spike that we're seeing here tonight, man. 5% in a 5-minute candle. I'll take that all day, every day. That's how quick crypto can move and turn things around. So give everybody a few minutes to roll in here and then we'll get cranked up. Bull market beginning, hope so. So I'm talking about, man, every time we get a little pump, people get excited. So I'm happy, man. That was the move I was waiting for, a move back above 40,000. That's what we've been talking about for the past few nights, and it's very nice to see it happening right here. We're about to cross 41,000 once again. Let's see if we can get a little pump action going in. As you can see, these lines are holding up extremely well for resistance and support that we drew throughout the week this week. So very nice to see that 50's coming up to that 40,770 range here off the 1 minute. So let's hope we treat that as support. Let's get the 4-hour chart, kind of take a look at what's going on. So off the 4-hour chart here, we are just popping above that 200. So 4-hour candle open and closing above that would be extremely nice. That's what I really am hoping for. I think we'll know more probably by the time the morning wraps around. So we'll take a look and see. Let me pull up some news articles, see what's going on. I saw one little bit. Public Bitcoin miners are increasing hash rates, Bitcoin holdings, which is a very good sign. You know, you want the Bitcoin miners to continue to hold Bitcoin. You know, when they're dumping on the market just to pay for electricity bills and stuff like that, that greatly affects the price of Bitcoin. There we go, 41,000 break. Let's get to the 1 minute chart real quick, see what's going on. We got the 14 exponential sitting right here. So let's hope we get back over this, continue this pump action we're seeing tonight. Doge not really jumping too much, up 2.10%, up to 1150 right here. I think that's a level of resistance for Doge too. Let's pull it up. I didn't have it marked here. I had 1180 marked, so we hit a high 1161. Let's go ahead and move that to 1161. Boom, that's the top right there. Kind of give us a channel between 1132, that little breakout point we talked about, and 1161 right here off of Dogecoin. Let's pull up BTC. Probably getting rejected right there. Usually after these pretty good pumps like that, you'll see some retracement. So let's see how low we'll actually go, and will we continue to just continue pumping. Bitcoin can get fun, y'all know that. I mean, one night we went to sleep and we pumped like $10,000, so that's very possible once again, but highly unlikely. But hopefully we stay within this range right here, maybe hop above 41,817 and continue to consolidate from that point. But we're trying to consolidate right here, which is a very good sign right now. What's up, Northside Ragnarok? How you doing, man? Great to see you in the chat. One word, Castle Wax, blockchain, soon #1 on the blocks. Yo, we'll check it out, man. That was you that dropped that a while back, wasn't it? I remember someone talking about that. I believe it was you. But guys, I'm feeling a lot better about the crypto space. We'll bust out a few stocks here tonight, kind of go over what's happening in the market. HYMC was doing its thing early this morning. End of the day up, it was up, what, 100%? End of the day, 9.35%, and then ran another 13% after market hours. So it's just the importance of taking your profits off these major hikes like we've been seeing. So, yo, what's up, Just Bum? Good to see you in the chat, my friend. Really good to see you. Let me get this situated real quick. All right, let me get this. Let's check the crypto fear and greed index, see what that thing is kind of looking like for the day. What are we looking like? 24 on the crypto fear and greed index. A little bit less fear today. Yesterday we were trading at 21. Still extreme fear in the market. So I'm expecting this number to lighten up a little bit by tomorrow. I think it updates every it updates every 24 hours. So the update just came in actually about 3 hours ago. So next update will be 21 hours and 15 minutes from now. So tomorrow afternoon. And a little bit less fear in the market as of the last update a couple hours ago, so that's a good sign. Let's pull up BTC. Five minutes ago, Bitcoin evangelist Michael Saylor tells economists why they're wrong. Bitcoin friendly mayors view blockchain as a way to boost equity, diversify their portfolios. That's not causing this major spike. Bit Digital Incorporated announces Bitcoin production and mining operation to update for the fourth quarter. Let's check this out, see what they're talking about. Oops, something went wrong. That's not good. Okay, so that article was taken down. Nonetheless, always good to see a little spike right here. We're starting to climb back above 41,000 right now, so that's looking pretty good. 53 minutes ago, Amit new executive order. White House director shed some light on crypto policy. Let's check this out. Last Wednesday, March 9th, the White House finally... hold on. Okay, last Wednesday, March 9th, the White House finally announced a much-anticipated policy directive on cryptocurrency and distributed ledger technology with an executive order on ensuring responsible development of digital assets, order issued by President Biden on the same day as the order was signed by Dr. Nelson, head of Office of Science of Technology Policy and Deputy Assistant to the President, published a blog post that describes her priorities for cryptocurrency regulation in the United States. This was coming out 53 minutes ago. Let's kind of dig into this and see what she's talking about. Nelson's role involves supporting a cabinet-level council of advisors on science and technology, as well as serving as an advisor to the president on specific engineering and technological aspects of the economy. This means she could be one of the most influential persons in the White House and digital assets. Somebody's dropping me a super chat. It's our boy Just Bum. Thank you very much, Just Bum. Dude, I had my speaker a little loud, but thank you very much, Just Bum, for that $5 make you holla super chat, my friend. Appreciate you helping us keep the lights on over here, saying let's go, baby. Good to see crypto back, man. People get excited. What's up, Bullfrog, and how you doing? All right. 3 key takeaways that are discussed in her blog titled The Path Towards Responsible and Equitable Digital Asset Innovation Focus. That's the title right there. So if you guys want to look it up, there it is. Just look up Dr. Nelson, The Path Forward on Potential of Digital Assets is Helping an Unbanked Population. The risk of... Dude, this does not tell you anything. She's saying over a number of years now, the cryptocurrency industry that has showcased the possibilities of how digital assets are now positive for society now finds itself at a pivotal moment where a validation of such use case will face the scrutiny of America's top scientists and top technologists. Blah, 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 blah. Nelson starts by noting that 1 in 6 Americans have either speculated or used cryptocurrencies as a payment, based on a study from the new Pew Research Center in November 2021. Nelson described how distributed ledger technology is already used around the world to support supply chains and in new ways to support artists. There is an optimistic tone to the potentials of this digital assets in society, especially blockchain technology. This ain't really telling us much. This dropped about an hour ago. First thing I looked at was Elon's tweets to see if he was doing his thing. Usually those pop down right away immediately, but What's up, Optimus Prime? There's my boy right there. Good to see you, man. What's up, Psycho Pearl? How you doing, man? Investors sue Vanguard after target date funds big tax bill. That's not good. That is not good. Let's see what they're talking about. Vanguard created big tax bills for target date fund investors. 3 target date fund investors claim Vanguard violated its legal duties by triggering thousands of dollars in surprise tax bills. The plaintiffs claim the investment manager cost investors across the nation hundreds of millions of dollars in damages. Investors own TDFs in taxable accounts. Investors who own funds in 401k plans and IRAs don't face the same tax consequences. Vanguard Group and its executives created big tax bills for some investors in its target date funds, accounting to hundreds of millions of dollars. The lawsuit filed in Pennsylvania federal court today by 3 investors claims the investment manager triggered an elephant stampede sell-offs in its TDFs. The sell-offs ultimately led to enormous tax bills in 2021 for people who own the funds in a taxable brokerage account instead of tax advantage one like a 401k plan or individual retirement account, the lawsuit alleges. Vanguard, as well as executives and fund trustees, therefore violated their legal duties to investors, the lawsuit claims. The plaintiffs seek compensation. So we'll keep an eye on that, see what's going on that end. Interest rates going up. Yeah. Yep. We expected it though. They're expecting 7 of them this year, so we'll see how many we actually get. Hope we blast off, man. I'm trying to go on vacation. I hear you, bro. I hear you. We're kind of pulling back a little bit, but that's okay. I like to see, we talked about it for the past week that we'd have a potential move above 40K once again, and that would get me excited again. And look, I am excited right here, but I want to see us maintain this level right here. 40,770 is a pretty good level of support, and we hit it almost on the dime. We had our resistance at 41.8. We hit 41.7, got rejected right here. So did have a pretty good pump up to 2 minute time frame right here. We just shot up about 5%. So that was really nice to see. Hit that 41,000. Now we're trying to consolidate. Going back to retest some levels right here is fine. It's totally healthy. Let's stay above 40,000. That's going to be a big level for us to stay above and to continue having a continuation of this bullish momentum that we're finally seeing in the market. Tomorrow's a big day for crypto, but I think it's going to dip a little bit. Yes, look, it could, but I'm really hoping we maintain that 40K, man. That's the level. I was waiting for this move above it to maintain it. That's not to say we're not going to dip below it later on in the week or next week, but if we can maintain this and make it throughout the week into the weekend, I think it's going to be a pretty good weekend for crypto. Yo, Victor, how you doing, man? Great to see you in the chat. Always a pleasure. So yeah, guys, y'all got any questions on some cryptos or some stocks? I'll drop them in the chat. We're gonna check out HYMC real quick. HYMC, why everything's being a little stagnant right now in the crypto space. Let's pull up the 30-minute chart. Look at this freaking rip up, dude. All the way at $2.97, where you absolutely came all the way back down. Buy the dip, sell the rip. That's the name of the game. And we've kind of been talking about HYMC. A couple of y'all brought it up. Man, this thing just took off. So as of right now, tomorrow might be a decent day. I think you can make some profits. I just think you have to time it right. So timing right for me right here. If we do have a little red day tomorrow, I'd possibly look to pick some up around 133. But it's anybody's ball game. Look, this thing has everything you want. It's got volatility. It's got volume, buying and selling pressure. It can go either way on you. Maybe we'll get another little pop here. Maybe into tomorrow, you might rip a little bit higher. Might have another 100% day. I mean, the way this thing goes is just absolutely crazy. So usually have these big spikes, pullback, big spike, really good pullback, really big spike, really good pullback. Are you going to continue the trend? Because I mean, the volume is there. I think this is a pretty good opportunity than this area right here. You're holding support, and then you're having some pretty good run-ups even after you dip briefly below it. Almost touched the 200 off the 30-minute. Check the 4-hour chart. You're still trading way ahead of your 200 and your 50, so I'd be careful with this. But big pump, pullback, big pump, pullback, big pump, immediate pullback. So I'm gonna kind of watch this thing tomorrow. I'm expecting this thing, you know, possibly will have a pretty good, you know, probably a little red day tomorrow. We'll see what happens, but it's anybody's guess. I mean, 13% aftermarket, 100% up in pre-market to early market open, and now, you know, ended the day up 10% with a 13% spike in aftermarket hours. So spike in aftermarket hours might tell me we probably run in pre-market, maybe see some pullback throughout the day in the regular trading hours off of HYMC. So that's kind of what I'm feeling for that one. I think there's 10 needs to be made, especially if you can wake up pre-market and look to pick you up a few. But to do that, you'd have to be trading on Webull. Link down below in the description. Make sure to check that out, guys. Chris Bug in the house. What's happening, man? Check FTM, bro. I need me some 5K coins. Yeah, let's check FTM. It probably took off. You know, I was eyeing it for a little while now. Now it's probably too late. FTM Phantom, baby. Hit that $1 mark almost, man. 103. Yeah, you can see this one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace HYMC to FTM Phantom Crypto right here. 120, man. Wow. So yeah, I kind of missed my little buying opportunity. You know, I sold this thing at I think it was 260, 270, somewhere around there, on the way back down. So we'll see what happens with this. Kind of hitting this little double top action right here, getting rejected, but this nice movement up is really nice. But for this, I could probably see a pullback to 114. So if you're looking for a good entry point off of Phantom, I would have to say 114 would probably treat you extremely well. This is the 4-hour chart, man. It is looking extremely bearish. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but this nice move on Bitcoin is getting you back in the right direction, which could turn this thing around. It could honestly cause some FOMO, cause some hype. People are watching Phantom, bro. I know I am for sure. I kind of missed the 103 dip. I thought it was gonna go a little bit lower. I was looking for $1, but I didn't quite get it right now. But you know, hey, it'll be all right. I think we'll see a retracement back to 114. We got Bitcoin slowly approaching that 40,770. So let's go back over here real quick. And like I said, guys, I'm looking for 114 retracement off Phantom. Let's get to a 1-minute chart. We're approaching that level of support right here. Let's see if we hold it. What's up, Viral Video? How you doing? KNC, yeah, we'll check it out. What's up, Travis? Good to see you in the chat, man. I'm surprised IMPP is still in the red. I did not even view it today, man. I did not look at it. So right now, Bitcoin's retesting a level of support. Let's see if we can look to hold this thing. Decent Holdings Ltd extended losses to close more than 10% lower after the Wall Street Journal reported it faces a record fine for violating Chinese anti-money laundering regulations. Hey, we might have to look into that here in a few seconds and see what's going on there. Could be some pretty good shorts. Can you give me a Discord link so I can join the server? Absolutely, man. I'll post that in the chat. Just bomb, dude. Where them super chats? Show some love. This dude just dropped a $10 make you holla super chat. Thank you, Just bomb, for showing that love, bro. I really do appreciate you, man. Thank you very much for that $10 super chat, my friend. That dude dropped me my first ever super chat, and I'll never forget that, man. So hey, thank you very much for that, bro. Helping us keep the lights on. So yeah, Discord link, let me drop that in the chat for you. Northside Ragnarok, 100% free for free. I hope that ain't too expensive for you, man. There you go, my friend. It should be popping up here shortly. Yep, cool. What up, Viral Video, Mass Market? Think of the idea. BTC looks like it's going to drop all the gains right now. What if that was whale setting up a trap to sell prior to the Fed meeting tomorrow? Wait, let me make sure I read that correctly. BTC looks like it's going to drop all its gains right now. Man, look, it's possible. It's possible. It's just so tough to judge, man. You know, look, most of the time when you have these big run-ups, dude, you do retrace most of the way, and that would put us back, 39.3 if we do see that retracement, and nothing's looking like it's telling me we're going to hold up right here, except that we're starting to bounce off this level of support, which we got at 49.775 pretty much. So I think we'll know more in the next, probably 30 minutes here on the live stream if we're going to maintain this level of support right here in this area and maybe not look to retest this, 40,000 mark down here. So we'll see if we do maintain it and can uphold it, and then we'll find out more tomorrow. It could dip into the, the Fed meetings, and then maybe for announcement of a rate hike, but we'll see what happens, man. We'll continue to watch it very closely. But you could be on to something. This pop might be a trap to set up a sell for tomorrow's Fed meeting. It could be, man. I mean, they could be trying to get people to FOMO into the market. We're about to live through a time where, you're going to have to document this stuff, because when this happens in the future, we're going to have to write this stuff down and see how the market reacts, because, man, it's anybody's guess. Rate hike, is telling me it's going to be bad for both markets, but that's my gut feeling. But, we're seeing this right here, which could be a last-ditch effort to really take some tendies. That's some big money right here. That is some big money moving the market right now. So we'll find out tomorrow what is happening. I wonder if it's the same guy. He pumps it. I wonder if that's the same little group that's just causing these pumps, dumps, pump, dump, pump. What's it gonna do? Dump. Not even as high. Setting lower highs and higher lows. So I mean, you're really setting up for some really nice level consolidation right here. Let's go ahead and pop this and then get another trend line going from this top right here. Leave something like that. I know it's hard to see, but we can get to the 30-minute chart, probably see a little bit better. So if that was consolidation, which we were seeing, and we are touching this top right here. So if that was consolidation, setting lower highs and higher lows, we just officially got a break to the upside. So that would be nice to see. If we can maintain this 40,000 level of support, we're gonna be looking pretty fucking decent for the weekend, guys. And I mean that. Be looking pretty freaking decent. Did you just drop that line? Or that previous support resistance coming back into play? That is previous lines. The only lines I popped was those consolidation lines that I actually popped here. These two, well, I can't even see it off the 1 minute. But no, yeah, the only lines I popped so far tonight on Bitcoin were these two consolidation phases, the ones I just popped. So all these other lines are lines that I popped previously. Just to show you that my technical analysis is not BS. It's actually pretty spot on, man. We hit it pretty close to the nail, and then we were consolidating above support. So it's looking pretty good. Northside, aka Zaptage on Discord. Thanks, Matt. Thank you, man. I appreciate you joining, man. Just let me know if you need anything. You can always reach me in the Discord throughout the day. History lesson: high oil prices and rate hikes have always turned into a recession. Yes, and lots of talks about recession. Like, I've been hearing it all freaking day, man. People, hey, we're heading for a recession. Yeah, we know, but look, we'll cross that path when we get there. If we're entering into a type of bear market situation, guys, we'll approach it nicely. The best way we can. There's still money to be made in the bear market. We just have to approach things a little bit with a little caution, a little dollar cost average, all the tips and tricks that we've been talking about. And we'll find some pretty good plays to really jump in on. Not necessarily as a community, because we're never going to pump stuff as a community. Just saying, if we find some projects that look really good, really promising, we can take some leaps of faith together. You love TA, man. I love TA too. So I'm more of a technical analysis type of guy. Like to give people opportunities to get in, get out, get your profits off of your cryptos, your stocks, give you some levels to look for. Not always spot on, but I can give you some pretty decent ballpark areas to look for the next day. See, right now I'm hoping Bitcoin holds 40,000. My gut feeling says we hold it, but I don't want to wake up and see it back to 39, 38 in the morning, which is very possible. Like tomorrow, it's anybody's ball game. Like this could be just a little pump and dump before the rate hike, and it's nice to see. I think gas prices were finally coming down. I started seeing a lot more $3.95, $3.90 around my area, so that was very good to see. Hopefully we have we continue to see them kind of fall, but I'm still expecting some higher gas prices here for the summer. So I even I was talking to my buddy. They work 5 8-hour days, company vehicle, and now they're moving to 410s, just to cut back on the fuel cost of operating the company. So already starting to see some effects throughout the southern part of the United States right here. But you're gonna start to see it across your shelves too, because the 18-wheelers that bring the goods and services to like Walmart, all your stores that you shop at, it's gonna cost them more to bring such goods to the store. So you're gonna start to see price increases on the shelves, really starting to hit the pocketbook too as well. On top of inflation, higher gas prices, you're gonna have less money in your pocket than you usually do. So it's just good to save, man. Dollar cost average whenever you can and be smart with your money right now. The way the economy's going, nothing's looking too good right now. I'm still watching Russia Ukraine. I'm not sleeping on this Russia Ukraine situation. I mean, they dropped some missiles within 15 miles of the Poland border a day or two ago. Just every day, ceasefire. It's just nothing good is going on over there. So we need to pay attention to what's going on, especially on that end. That's fueling a lot of what we're seeing right here. A lot of it was self-inflicted, but it definitely poured some gasoline on this fire that we're seeing. So we need to pay attention. I don't think we're done of that aspect by any means. So I see people canceling the spring break plans due to gas prices. Dude, I don't blame them, dude. It's probably gonna cost you, if people come from all over America to go hit up Florida and stuff. So if you drive in 12 hours, dude, that's expensive. And wait to see. I'm sure plane tickets are getting more expensive too. So hopefully tomorrow we get some decent news. Hopefully so, Pearl. That is what I'm hoping for, dude. There's still, a lot of people say that the market's already priced in these rate hikes, and we might see a little downside just for the psychological aspect of trading with these whales. They might play to downside off the news, and they'll come back up, because a lot of times these whales, they'll hop in, they'll already price stuff in, so they're already expecting these major rate hikes, 7 to be exact this year. So it could be priced in already, in my opinion, but I think they'll probably hit us the first 2-3 months with some rate hikes going forward from this point. So it's very important to watch tomorrow and gather some sentiment to see how these rate hikes are actually affecting your investments, because you're gonna have 7 of these to cross for the rest of the year. So that's all speculation at this point. They're expecting 7, so that's what I'm gonna let y'all know, just so y'all can stay up to date with the information. But here we go. Bitcoin retested 40,775 right here. Pretty good level of support. I want to see it maintain. If we don't, we do have some room to drop to 40,000, but I would like to see us maintain this level of support. So guys, 17 people in here. If you could smash the like button for your boy. I got a link to a free Discord in the chat right there. It's still up. You could probably still see it. Make sure to take full advantage of that. We'd love to have you join. And if you're not yet subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button for us. 900 applications on Biden's desk for oil drilling in the USA. He will not sign them. Probably not. He's not really looking to push this Green New Deal thing. I mean, he's really looking to push this Green New Deal thing. It's probably gonna Probably gonna feel some more heat at the gas pump before it's all said and done. Before this fuel spike, you could get a round flight Georgia, Florida for $38. Now you can find them less than 200. That's what I'm saying, man. It's just gonna continue to go up, man. Inflation, everything. So less money. You know, I'll start bringing my lunch, man. You know, you start factoring in 10, 15 bucks a day, even for eating fast food, man. You know, it's nah, man. I'm not paying all that. I'll start packing my lunches, dude. I got my peanut butter and jelly, my ham sandwiches. I'm good, man. Yeah, I mean, it just goes against the agenda of what they're trying to do with the Green New Deal, bro. I don't see him, you know, really doing anything. It would be smart for his campaign. You know, he could change it. He could get some brownie points where he really freaking needs it right now. Most of these polls that I'm watching, even on CNN, man, they got him down, you know, 70% approval rating across the board. So disapproval, I'm saying. So that's just what it is. So Bitcoin 40,775. Let's zoom on in real quick, see what we're doing, see if we maintain it, see if we hold it. Starting to dip below it. Let's see some green. Oh man. Hopefully you guys had a great, wonderful day today. I appreciate y'all as always for tuning in on these late live streams. Let me turn this down. I know, look guys, everything's been pretty dull lately, but you know, when crypto really starts doing this thing, people are gonna get excited. I think we're gonna have some more points like that this year. I don't think it's just gonna be straight bear market activity. I think we're gonna see some pretty good pops this year, and there will be stuff to get excited for, and we will make some profits, man. It's just gonna take a little while to play itself out. It's 384 here now. It's 382. It dropped big. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So I've been watching it very closely. It's been dropping on my end. You know, people always ask me, well, you're from Louisiana, like, why aren't your gas prices cheaper? You're right there where, you know, by the Gulf. And I'm like, it's just not, man. It's really not. It's not any cheaper. There we go. That's what happens when you break support right there. We're starting to see some retracement now. There we go. Not a confirmed break. Remember, 5-minute candle open and close. Above or below is confirmed break. So let's widen this thing up. And we're gonna watch it on this level right here. See if we can pop back above it. That would be awesome. I appreciate it, Northside Ragnarok. Dude, do you play Halo? Because that map on the old Halo Ragnarok, that was my favorite map as a kid, man. I'd go play it right now if I had it. Got the Mardi Gras cup I'm sipping out of. Best thing about Mardi Gras, get a bunch of cups. There we go, guys. That's what happens when you don't hold support. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at this, dude. Wow. Wow, this dude, they are dumping it. Whoa. You gotta turn green right here, man. You gotta turn green. That's not natural. That's a whale playing with the market, bro. That is a whale playing with the market for real. It looks like we're about to go down some more. Let's see what happens. 39,428. Someone took some profits real quick. Wow. 39.4. Yep, that's right, guys. Fake out. We got excited. What a fake out. What a freaking dump. $9.80 a gallon. Dude, that is some BS right here. So let's watch it for a second, guys. See how low we go. That was why I was trying to hold that 40,775 range. You know, that gap between here, there wasn't much between that and 40,000. That's why. So, man, we hopped that pennant I just drew. Now we're, you know, almost bouncing off of it. We dipped right below it. So the Bears and the Bulls are fighting. That's what you get. Let's pull up the 5-minute chart. Dude, look at this. That's just, that is crazy, man. So pump dump, pump dump, pump dump, pump dump. That's what we got. Pump dump, guys. I was getting excited. I was getting really, really crunk. And there we go. They're definitely playing with it. Let's see if we can get back above 40K right here. Heartbreaking to see live, man. I know. Right when I saw it happening, dude. So the whales are definitely out there fishing, man. They're fishing. So we're officially back where we were right before this major pump. So I can see us dropping back to 39.1 now. I mean, it's whoever pumped this, they probably pumped it up to this level right here, 41.2, and then probably took profits at 41.6. You know, that was a pretty good ladder attack right here, man. I think someone pumped up the market within this 2-minute time frame. You know, some FOMO happened right here. They took everybody's money, got out, and probably dumped everything out right there. So just kind of what I feel, just kind of what I thought might be happening. But cool, bro, these dudes just annihilated the market. That's a drop from 41,000, pretty much 40,700 to 39. So we got some whale activity happening in the market tonight, guys. I don't know, Travis, man. I think that was the little pump for right now, man. Typically what happens with these types of run-ups, man, where you just Bitcoin shoots up drastically 5-7% in a couple minutes, man, you're most likely to, you know, start heading right back down. That's exactly I think a whale got in and got out really quickly, man. It's honestly what I'm thinking is happening. Now look, we could shoot right back up, but man, there's volatility in the crypto space in the past hour. Gloves are off right now. Mass market, go to BTC 15-minute chart, scroll back 4 or 5 days. The exact same thing happened. That's why I shorted this. Let's see if I got the 15-minute. I sure do. Yeah, I mean, same freaking thing. This one was a little bit more violent. I mean, this was a 1-minute, 15-minute candle straight up. You had a couple consecutive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of bled off a little bit, then went straight back down to the level, and then traded sideways and then dropped off. So any continuation right here, that's what I'm saying. Buy the dips, sell the rips, guys. That's what we're getting. We're probably gonna trade somewhere within this range right here, which is like 39 to 38, somewhere within that range now. Just perfect example. Sell the rip, guys, while you got it. Bear says it'll go wild at 4 a.m. Hey, why everybody's sleeping, bro? You already know, man. That's how they do us, and that's how they get us. Or a bear trap, but nah, I'm not feeling the whole bear trap scenario. Now look, if I was a whale, dude, I mean, I could personally tear the market up if I was a whale, dude. I would, I would do some crazy stuff, and they're probably not going to risk it for the biscuit, but, I'd pump it back up next couple 1-minute candles. I'd shoot it up even higher. But, whatever. This guy, whoever it was, whoever did this right here, that was a group. That was somebody with some money. Big money right here. Pumped this thing up and got some tendies real quick. Travis says, yeah, sorry about that. I'll buy back. I meant to tell y'all I was selling. So right back to the 1-minute candle, bear flag forming. So yeah, I think that was it for the pump, man. I got super excited. My phone started going off the hook. when Bitcoin shot up to 41,000. I'm like, man, I wasn't even planning on going live tonight, but I had to hurry up and hop on. Because, I want to be here for y'all, especially when things are ripping like this. But, it's textbook, buy the dip, sell the rip. So we are back in that consolidation channel once again. We tried to break to the upside. Bear said, nope, get your ass back in that ascending channel right here. So waiting to see which side we break to. A break below 39. I'd have to say 39.5. We get a break to the downside off of that ascending, that consolidation box right here. So we're getting close to the end right here. So we'll see which trend we take. We tried to take the trend to the upside, which, the further back before you get to the peak of this consolidation phase. And basically what I did, guys, just to show you if you're just tuning in, I took some previous levels. Let me get to the 4-hour chart where I drew it. Give me a second. Let me get this into view for y'all. No, it didn't quite match up. I think I was off the 30-minute then. Yeah. So those previous tops that I drew from that peak that we had, 45,000, then that peak we had, and then we broke above that for a second. That was looking pretty good. But we're setting those lower highs along the way, and then those higher lows on this way. So it just couldn't maintain it. We could not continue ripping. You have to borrow Rivers money to be a whale. Here we go, S Hall, bro. S Hall, baby, in the chat. Almost all crashes start with a huge pump, bro. What's happening, man? S Hall, bro. A broken clock is right twice a day, bro. And if you come on every night and you keep saying that bear shit you're saying, bro, you're gonna be right. So I'm just hoping every night that you're not right, I feel good, bro. Yeah, River Bear FOMO'd in. He forgot to tell us. So just a market reaction, man. Whales are playing in the market right now, guys. I wish it was a little bit better. Best case scenario, look, we wake up, it's above 40K, man. I was getting excited, man. It just kind of crushed my dreams a little bit, but it's okay. That's what crypto does, and that's what crypto is definitely capable of doing, guys. So don't feel bad about it. But hey, Miller Time, really good to see you, man. Hopefully you're doing well in your investments. Verizon, man, I didn't forget, that's what you were rapping about last night. Let's check it out, bro. You called it 56. I did not look at it today. 52, baby. Didn't quite get it, bro. Didn't quite get it, but hey, I didn't forget about you. So let's pull it up, man. I did do some TA off of it. Oh, now my TA. Did I pop lines on this last night? Oh, I did. I popped one, bro. I popped the one. What did we hit? I was calling for 52. We hit 52.22 before we got a bounce, bro. So still in that downtrend, bro. I'm still waiting for 52. Lower high. I think tomorrow might be a little red day, man. We'll see what happens. But 52.22, I was calling for 52. So I think right now a break above 53 would signify a little reversal. So we'll put that between 52 and 53 right now. But I am looking for 52 as a potential entry point off this thing. Bear. I've been right to where we are now from 6 months ago. Do I teach this stuff? Been trading over 20 years. I've set many seeds here. No, it's not that I don't understand you, man. It's just you were calling bear markets at 64 when we dropped to 26. And I kept telling people, I kept preaching over here we were going to go back up. And no, I appreciate you, man. You keep us on our feet, man. So they ain't no harsh love, man. Oh, man. My money all spent on the dips in crypto market. Everything this month is going to the stock. Hey, look, I don't blame you, bro. I do not blame you. Stock market is, you know, if you can pick the right movers, man, fertilizer, oil, gold, stuff like that. It's looking pretty good. Let's check out your Hibs, bro. Let's see what Hibs did today. Ooh, Hibs getting punished, bro. 9.31% down. Pop back a little bit after market hour, so might be a good entry point, man. The way it's looking, you know, you have these little run-ups come down, run up, come down. You might be setting up for a nice little run-up. The only thing, man, you're almost having like this little triple top formation happening right here. So, you know, fourth time rejection could be the breakout or the slap down that could bring you down a little bit lower. So I do think you'll probably get one more little pump up to let's say 1150 just to be safe. I think you could see a little reversal here to 1160 top. Yeah, I'd be looking for 1150. Then I'd really start paying attention. Maybe put out a price alert for 1150 off of Hibs if you are playing this. Because look at this, look, really hard rejection right there at that 1160 range. Boom, pop down, boom, pop down, boom, pop down. Let's see. It's looking like it could get the break to the upside, but lots and lots of resistance, man. Even going back prior history right here, and it was treating as support for a little while. Boom, boom. So that's a pretty good level for it, man. So I would be looking for that. Your Hibs could break to the upside though. You got a nice ascending level of support. Well, nice ascending wedge, I would call this. You could probably pop some pretty nice lines. But you have that ascending level of support heading for a level of resistance, which would be an ascending wedge. So you might get a break to the upside, man. We'll see what happens. My average is 7, dude, and holding 2K shares. That's why I told you about Hibs 2 months ago. I'll give you that SR. You did call Doge, but you were calling Doge, I think it was 11 to 15 or 10 to 15. And look, it's cool, bro. I know you have to change stuff around. Now you're thinking between 3 and 10, bro. I'm not even going to argue with you, man, because anything's possible at this point at the levels we're trading at. So, Cena Scalp is in the works right here. Yeah, man. They just scalping the market, man. 39,735. So it's a nice little pump. It was really nice to get people excited, just enough to come in and take your money. But we're trying to work our way back to the upside right here. There's a little bear flag forming right here off the 1 minute. Let's check the 5 minute. We could reverse it, but we'll see what happens here in the next probably 20 minutes. Scott Hall, Razor Raymond, RIP. That's it, Psycho Pro. That's all she wrote for tonight. I think that was the little excitement, bro, to get everybody watching crypto once again, just to crush their hopes and dreams. So, S Hall, you in Discord, huh? I would love to have a talk with you, man. Talk some market analysis. I teach and promote and lead a platform of 5K that's global. Tried to tell you that's what I do, what I'm connected to a long time ago. Where you at, bro? Are you like on YouTube? Where you at? Let me know where you teaching people at, man. So, all right, guys. So that's what we got, bro. Bitcoin 39.7 tonight. Look up INPOY. Yeah, we'll check it out real quick. It just sucks, guys. I got really excited for a second. INPOY. in post, SA unpost. What is this? What is this? I don't know what this is, to be honest with you. It's up 50%, but Webull's not gonna allow me to do anything with this. %. Man, I can't even see the candles off this thing, off of Webull. 20 minutes still choppy. 30-minute. Yeah, it's really tough to do some TA off of something like this. But I'll look it up deeper and check it in Discord. OMG. I don't know what this is, but I'll take a look at it. It's been a pretty harsh downtrend since November. Oh shit, since July of last year. So Ryan Sherlock says, man, XRP is killing me. It was just at 81 cents, man. Ryan, bro, I mean, look, man, selling these little rips right now. Okay, so no, it hit 78. I thought I saw it at 81. Oh no, it was 81 for Cardano. 78 cents right here. But it doesn't look half bad, man. But I feel you, bro. I feel you. And I'm just keeping it, you know, just dollar cost averaging while I can right now, dude, until XRP lawsuit comes up, man. It's gonna be a big catalyst for it, man. So I feel you, bro. I think we might be in a place, get a quick long scalp. Could be, man. This dude's still traveling, by the way. I'm currently in Colombia. This dude's all over the place. It's a private group deeply rooted into the entertainment sector. Many of peeps I'm connected to don't want to be in the public eye. Yeah, I mean, I wasn't asking you to dox them or anything. I was just wondering where your group was. What are y'all, like, Discord? Like, you know what I'm saying? You're saying you're teaching 5K people. I'm just wondering, like, what are you teaching on? Like, what do you have going on, man? So message me in Discord, bro. Let's link up, man. So, all right, guys, look, Bitcoin did not hold up. Catching a falling knife, sitting on 37K of them now. Bro, look, I feel your pain, bro. XRP, it's gonna get relisted on all the major exchanges, man. I still have not lost faith, bro. I know you probably sitting a little down off of it. I am too, man, to be quite honest with you. I probably need to get a little bit more XRP, even currently where it's sitting, kind of lower my average. But dude, I fully believe in what's about to happen with XRP, and you have to believe in the projects that you are promoting, man. And you know, I wouldn't tell you if I'm not holding a bag of XRP, because I am. And I fully expect this thing to do some pretty fantastic things. Even if a bear market's in play, man, that XRP lawsuit could flip some things around. Back in 17, XRP flipped everything around and started leading the charge and turned Bitcoin around for that bull cycle. So we'll see what happens. I promote YouTube creators and mine data to monetize it through advertising. That's cool, man. Awesome, bro. Look, man, let's link up, man. Shoot me a message in Discord, dude. I would love to shoot the shit with you for a little bit, man, just to get on the same level. It's not the same, man, talking through the chat and me just talking to you on the mic. So, guys, once again, was looking great. Everything's back to where we were before this pump. So just hang tight, guys. We're going to get some news possibly about the rate hikes tomorrow, and we'll see what's going on in the markets, see if we can get some more information. And we'll be posting it in Discord. I'll keep you guys updated. If you're on Twitter throughout the day, keep an eye out for me. You know, you can always find me in there too as well. I was drugged in Colombia. Girl robbed me a 5K goal. Yeah, I remember you had dropped that in the chat the other night. Yeah, that sucks, man. We did good in Doge last week. Hey, I'm happy for you, Shenanigans Masters. Happily made some pretty nice profits. XRP right now, man. I can tell you kind of what I'm thinking here in the short term. So always look at the 4-hour chart, man. All right, so I think you're gonna get a trend change here shortly, guys. You got all three exponential moving averages converging upon each other. So it's really tough to tell, man. You got support at 74 cents right here. That would kind of be my buying zone if you see a bounce. Pretty much 74, between 74 and 79 right now. That's kind of my level. You know, you did have this big pump up to 84. That was off the good news of the lawsuit, you know, and then we pretty much erased those gains. So hopefully we stay in this little ascending level of support and just have some nice peaks along the way. We're gearing up for a 79-cent retest, hopefully, depending on what happens tomorrow. You know, it's still 50-50. You're on a fence line right here, in between a level of support and resistance, and potentially some bad news coming tomorrow. So I'm a little bit more bearish right here. So just keep that in mind, guys. You know, you might see 74 before you see 79, and then hopefully you get the bounce off of 74. So it's what caught my attention with y'all, and why I said seeds of good info for new traders to grow. Appreciate you, bro. Binance sucks. They told me to call the FBI. Yeah, Binance is yeah, man. Yeah, it sucks, bro. Sorry that happened to you, man. But Ryan, you in Discord, man, keep up with us. Guys, I wish we had some better news, but Bitcoin did this thing, man. They pumped it up and dumped it on us tonight, so it was getting exciting. Let's see what happens tomorrow. At least we're above 39. So let's see what happens. See if we get a pretty good pump by tomorrow off the rate hike increase news, and see where we go from there. Now, thank you, Shenanigans Master, and thank y'all for everybody for tuning in once again. Things will be back, guys. You see how quick you can move. I buy XRP every day drunk, hundreds of dollars a day. I feel you, bro. You'll eventually get your average down, man. XRP still my baby, man. When this thing rips off, we're gonna be doing some XRP live streams soon, man. You know, I fully think we'll get, you know, somewhere around that $3 range off of XRP when it's all said and done at some point this year. That's what I'm really hoping for, man. So we'll see what happens. But guys, once again, thank you very much. If y'all need me, hit me in Discord, and I'll see each and every one of y'all tomorrow night. Thank y'all for coming out, tuning out, showing that support. Let me know if y'all need anything.